At ActivWall, our team loves coffee, and one of our clients has opened up a new coffee roastery. So let's go check out this business.
Hey there, come on in. Well, Jennifer, welcome to Third Shift Coffee.
Thanks for having me.
Can I get you a cup of coffee?
Actually, I would love that.
There's only one catch though. We have to make the coffee first.
Okay, let's do it.
We roasted this coffee to 407 degrees, which is the perfect temperature for this specific coffee. After it dropped, we dropped it in this cooling tray. We rapidly cooled it so that it doesn't go beyond the level of roast that we were looking for this specific coffee. And now we're actually ready to fire it up in the espresso machine and make some delicious espresso. Okay, so fun fact, coffee always tastes better with a portafilter flip. I'll let you do the honors. Now I'll say you have definitely earned this cup of coffee. At our coffee roasting business, Third Shift Coffee, we're all about quality. And we think about quality in a comprehensive way from the end product to the customer experience. And when a customer comes and visits us at Third Shift Coffee, we're proud of the fact that the first thing they're gonna see is an ActivWall door. And the quality of this door sets the tone for the rest of the customer experience after that.
So Josh, thank you for having me today, giving me a tour and showing me all about how coffee is made. Thank you for being an ActivWall customer. And why don't you tell our followers how can they find your coffee?
You can find our coffee at drinkthirdShift.com.
This is their new ActivWall swing door. It is a 38-inch by 82-inch tall, made with thermally broken aluminum for maximum energy efficiency in insulated glass. This door is fitted with mullions for added style and a European-style mortise handle with a secure 3-point locking system. Every unit that ActivWall produces is fully customized for your unique space. So give us a call today or contact us at activwall.com to request a quote for your unique space.